Hey guys, this is a real profile racing sealed freewheel sound that I know you guys love to hear when it freewheels. Here you go. There you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. You can get one of these at AmericanCycle.com. This is a beautiful Elf Doublecross build we've been working on, and just got it all wrapped up. Thanks, guys.